Creating a new vector layer. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to create a new vector layer. After clicking on the Create Vector Layer button in the left menu, you can enter the layer name, geometry type from the Settings menu, and switch to the View menu with the Save and Next button. The coordinate system of the vector layer to be created is WGS84. You can apply various styles such as the color, transparency, and thickness of the geometry from the View page. After determining the attribute information on the Columns page, the layer is created via the Create Vector Layer button. The created vector layer will be listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.